What'd you get?
You're embarrassing me. Let's go. Bye. Thank you.
See you, bro. Appreciate it. What did you get?
I got collector's edition.
Of what?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Don't fall.
PS5.
Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today I have, oh my gosh, a special video. I got gifted some stuff to play the PS5 because we have it in the household. We've got a gamer in the household, and now I'm gonna become one of them. If you know me at all, you know I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. I have loved Harry Potter for years. Just obsessive, okay? So when I heard that there was a Harry Potter game gonna be coming out and you actually get to play like you're a student at Hogwarts and just be in the magic, I was like, yes, please. I don't care what I can and cannot do with a gaming console. We are getting it. I got gifted the stuff to play the game. We went into GameStop today and we had a change of heart and we got the limited edition box, the collector's edition box. Like I said, there is a gamer in the household, like gamer. So he's very excited also to play this game. So it's not like it's just me playing it. He's very excited to, he's like, I'm going to go platinum on it. So we're going to be playing that. I'm going to be streaming on his account since he already has it set up. So I guess it should be fun to watch me learn how to play in general, the game, but the game also. Like as soon as they mentioned that they had it in my head, I was like, this price is outrageous. But we looked at the price for it on Amazon and it was like $400, like over $400. And I don't know how much it was in store. Not $400, okay? If I knew how to sing some Hogwarts songs, I would. Double, double, door, trouble. Terrible. We got this. I want to say if I wasn't obsessed over Harry Potter, would we have gotten it? The collector's box in general, we will be keeping. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to play. I've been waiting for a few days now because I think we were able to pick it up for PS5. I want to say on Monday. So we're a few days late. I want to get this set up. Here's just the front. I'm sure you guys have seen this by now, but here we are. The Portkey Games Hogwarts Legacy for the PS5. There's a little sleeve that goes on it on the back. It's going to have everything that's like included in the box. You have the steel case and full game. I'm just like reading off of here. The floating wand. It's a life size with a bookcase. That's obviously what I'm most excited for besides the game. The collector's edition box. And then I think within the game, if you get this box, there are certain things that you wouldn't have access to unless you buy this collector's box. Dark Arts pack, you get the Dark Arts cosmetic set, the Thestral mount, and the Dark Arts battle arena. You would think I would do my nails or something for this, but no. Explore an open world. Be the witch or wizard you want to be. Experience a new wizarding world adventure. Live the unwritten. OMG. I just can't. Like almost like too nervous to open this up. Obviously I have the box so I can tell how large it is, but it's just... Professional, I am not. What is that? There's a pamphlet in there. First things first, I can't even get it out, is the actual game itself. But so you get the game. Includes base game and deluxe content. Portkey Games Hogwarts Legacy Deluxe Edition. This actually I'm really excited for too. It's the steel case for the game. Oh my gosh. Ew, why am I like this? Wow. Gorgeous. Why am I like this? It's just a case for the game. Why am I like this? Ew. So you can set your game in there. I like borderline want to use this, like, I don't know, in my normal life. It's so nice. I just, honestly, I'm trying to miss the glare. So now I guess we're getting into the floating wand with the book. Oh, it is like all hardcore like attached in here. So this is my view right now with it safely in there. And then on the back, it gives you some instructions for the book. But oh, it's got tape on it. Just give me the book. Ah! Oh no. Ooh, I'm gonna get yelled at because I just broke the plastic in here. Okay, let me be a calmado, you know? This is what not to do with an unboxing. Collector's edition. Oh, me, do I know how to use scissors? Okay. Did I get all of them or am I gonna break it? 11 bajillion hours later. Okay. Because it's still got another piece of tape. It still has another piece of tape. Okay, I'm not mad. It's like really packaged in there. That's the book. Okay. I'm just too excited and this is taking too long. Okay. So here, everybody, we have the charging cable. It's free. This is so cool. Can this not focus on the background and then just focus on the wand? I will show you guys at the table also. This is so cool. Is that the magnetic stuff that I just like touched and I'm gonna mess up? Is that what that is right there? I thought it was like mold or something and I was like, what? Is that what that is? This is so cool. Oh my god. I have like the ones that I, like from Barnes & Noble from forever ago, but like it's magnetic. Whew. So now time for the book. I'm trying to hold on to it so I don't drop it because I would cry. See, it's wanting to fall out, so I'm gonna stop before, like, while I'm ahead. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. I'm like looking at it as I'm showing it. Do you see all of that? Trying to be careful, trying to be careful. And so there's the back. That is so cool. The detail is insane. It gets like raised. See that? Forbidden Forest, Hogsmeade, the Black Lake, Hogwarts. Oh my gosh, I can feel it like vibrating as I'm talking over it. This is so cool. Ew, I just almost cried, no lie. Ew, I can feel it like right here. that's not what we're gonna do. So the other things in the box here is this like instruction, and I think this has to be sat down to help with the magnetizing it, and then just some warning stuff in here too. But let's see what I have to do with this. So it just says, it's got the instructions for like plugging it in down there and then having to put this down over the book. I'm going to change the camera around so that you guys can see what I'm doing with setting this up and to try this out and to see it floating and everything. I'm so excited. So here is the plug-in. I'm scared, honestly. I don't know why, but I'm scared. Okay, she's plugged in. Cool. Okay, to be honest, I don't know why, but I can't really understand the instructions, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I guess I have to put this here. It pulls. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Okay, wait, what is, I don't understand because it's got these like...
Match it up.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh god. Oh my god. And then it says something about like, just take this off, but like it is holding on to that. It's strong. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like, what's it? Excalibur. Oh my gosh. The pull. I don't understand the instructions. Okay? You're supposed to be that way. Oh. Wait, no. They have it like this. Oh my gosh. So to my understanding, this little star, you gotta line it up like perfectly. I have the paper now lined up perfectly with the book. I'm gonna match with the star and this triangle like exactly. And then we should be able to hear it kind of like catch. It's not. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy.
Pull the paper out.
Oh, right. Is it supposed to continuously turn around like that though?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh. That's crazy.
If you had a fan, you could really get that thing going.
Stupid. You were so dumb.
Nice.
Okay, so that is everything from this box, the deluxe edition of the Hogwarts Legacy for the PS5. I am so beyond excited, even more excited now that I'm actually like looking at everything. I just can't wait to play. I'm actually low-key like mad at myself about like how excited I am for all of this because I'm like, what? But at the same time, I just can't wait to be in the game. I love the book, love the concept of the floating wand. I think it is gorgeous, everything about it. Like I said, I'm excited to play the game, excited to see the extras that we get in the deluxe edition. It's not just me that's excited to play this game. Like I said, I am going to be trying to play it, but I am going to be playing it on or streaming on Twitch. So all that information will be in the description box below so that you guys can watch me play. Also follow me on TikTok. I did an unboxing of this there too. Trying to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok now also so that I can live stream while I'm playing the games. Make sure you are following me on there. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and a little bit of a demo of the Hogwarts Legacy and the Deluxe Edition box. I'm so thankful to have it. Like I said, it's basically a gift for not only me. So it's going to be a household gift basically, and we're all extremely grateful to have it and excited to play. So catch me playing the game live streaming it. I'm excited. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. If you guys have not yet, I hope you choose to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification so YouTube can let you know when I do post new videos. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, especially also, and then also check out all the information for where I'll be able to play streaming and everything. So yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.